Introducing the chocolate bourbon pecan pie cake. So basically we are taking all of the ingredients that would be in a pecan pie, but instead of baking it into a pie shell, we're turning it into a custard. So I've got 2 sugars, some cornstarch, and some flour into my sauce pot. To that we're going to add the water, a pinch of salt, and I do love to add a little bit of molasses to mine because that deep flavor of a pecan pie really comes from the molasses in that recipe. Now, if you don't have molasses, you can totally leave it out. It's a minimal amount, but I really do think that little bit sort of gives it an extra pecan pie boost. Because I like to build my custard cakes inside a ring mold and let it set all together as one solid cake, rather than scooping custard into the cake layers after the custard has cooled. So that's why I like to do it this way. You know how when you eat a piece of pecan pie, it is just so sugary sweet that you can't even finish the whole slice? Well, this chocolate bourbon pecan pie cake takes care of that problem. You will definitely be finishing this whole slice. This really is a simple cake to make. It's just 3 easy recipes. The chocolate cake with the chocolate buttercream really balances the sweet that is normally in a pecan pie. Let me tell you, this cake just works. It is so perfect. I really hope that you're going to want to make it. So head on over to Gretchen'sVeganBakery.com to grab all the recipes. And until next time, happy vegan baking. Bye for now.